Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today's video is going to be on a balloon wall. I will try to build this wall with balloon clusters with that new technique that I started using for balloon garlands, and I am excited because I've tried to build a balloon wall with clusters a while ago. It didn't turn out as I thought it would turn out, but right now I am more confident with clusters, so hopefully everything is gonna go according to plan. I had to move all the furniture around in my family room just to clear out a wall that I wanted to use for this video. It's a mess in my family room, but it's gonna be one beautiful balloon wall. Before I'll let you go, I want to talk about a package that I received from Roses Forever. Rose Forever is a New York-based rose brand launched in 2019. It specializes in designing luxurious bouquets with hand-picked exquisite roses that will last you for a year. They only use natural oils to preserve the roses, and each bouquet is handcrafted by a professional. Rose Forever offers a diverse palette of shades. They didn't stop just at standard colors for roses, but they also went far and beyond and offer special shades and special colors of roses like silver, black, and gold, and many more. Those special and unique colors of roses are created through a natural process of pigmentation to give you the richest color in those roses. And now it's time to show you how this beautiful bouquet looks. I haven't opened the box. It came in, it was sitting on the floor, and I was itching to open it up. So let's go, let's do this together. This is the box that I received from Rose Forever. I just pre-cut the top, and here is what we're getting as we open. You guys, I'm so excited. Oh, look at this. Comes in a bag just to protect this velvet box. Oh, you guys, this velvet, so beautiful. Look at this. This box has the Rose Forever logo and to the feel. You guys, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys. They are stunning, and you can fit the box into the lid. Oh my goodness. They are stunning. Oh my word. Okay, I'm like speechless right now. They are, oh, look at this, up close on these roses. Each rose is literally perfect. I don't see any black spots on roses. I don't see any teared up petals as you can sometimes see on roses. These are definitely like perfect. These are perfect roses. It feels so luxurious. You guys, this bouquet can be such a wonderful, awesome gift for any occasion. Birthday, baby shower, wedding anniversary, anything. And as I smell these roses, I can't really smell any oils, any harsh smells, nothing, literally nothing. So I am very pleased with this. They're gonna look so beautiful in my family room. One more thing before we go and dive into our balloon wall. Rose Forever was so nice, and they gave you guys a coupon code Anastasia15 to enjoy if you would decide to purchase a bouquet for yourself. This is not an affiliate code, it's just for you, and this code Anastasia15 valid only for 30 days. I am happy with my bouquet. Everything that I will be using in today's video will be linked and listed in the description under the video, and a link for these beauties will be linked in the description under this video as well. To inflate my balloons, I am using my electric balloon pump from L'Oreal Paper and Balloon Company. The name of this pump is Zoom. If you would decide to purchase anything from L'Oreal Paper and Balloon Company, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code, and it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. This code is valid only for your first purchase and if you're a new customer to L'Oreal Paper and Balloon Company. Before I'll start inflating my balloons, I quickly want to go through all of this and tell you what I decided to use. I decided that I wanted to go for a purple and magenta looking balloon wall with splashes of different shades and different colors of balloons, like blue, maybe some kind of like yellowish, lighter blue. We'll see as we go, whatever looks best I will be using. I have different sizes of balloons, 36, 11, 5, and 16, and different types of balloons as well. Pearl, jewel, regular latex balloons, and some orbs balloons as well. So good variety of balloons. I am working with one color at a time, and here is what I am doing. I am taking 2 balloons in the same size, and I am inflating them into different sizes. As soon as I'm done inflating my balloons, I am pressing them against the floor to give them more rounder shape, and then tying them together into pairs like these. Once I am done inflating a certain color, I am starting to create clusters out of my pairs. I am taking 2 different sizes pair of balloons and intertwining them together, taking another pair and adding into it. Sometimes, once in a while, I will take 4th pair and add on to this existing just created cluster to create a big cluster like this. Constructing our balloon garland, I stopped inflating balloons. I hope it's going to be enough. If anything else, I can always inflate more. From my previous video, I still have 3 command hooks on the wall. I will be using them to help me hold my balloon wall on the wall. And you guys, I'm running low on every supply that I have at home right now. Seriously, I need to stock up, but it's so hard. For example, I ordered 260s balloons, but they're going to be shipped to me on October 10th, I believe. So I need to wait for such a long time, and I barely have any left. I barely have any rubber bands. So I am bringing out fishing line that I found in my stockpile from random balloon kits that I reviewed, and I will be using anything and everything that I can construct my balloon wall with. So enough chatting, let's go, let's construct this. I am starting my balloon wall with this purple color. I am taking 260s balloons and I am tying this 260 to my cluster, taking this cluster with 260s to the wall and tying this cluster to my hook. I will be constructing this balloon wall exactly as I constructed my newest balloon garland. I will link that video in the description under this video. In that video, I was diving deep into how I construct and how I process colors in my head and why I place certain colors in certain clusters on certain spots. So that video might be helpful. I will be speeding up through this. I might stop and explain what I'm doing, but other than that, you guys, it's just placing clusters, wrapping, placing clusters, and wrapping until you're happy with what you have. Let's go. In half just to stretch out my 260s a little bit longer because I honestly don't have enough, and looks like with 260s this thing works and constructs like a butter, so I like it. So let's cut, let's try. You know what? I'm not going to be cutting my 260s in half because I don't have enough. I like to wrap my clusters from different sides to connect my clusters to different clusters. For example, this cluster is not connected to this. So yeah, nope, not cutting. inflate foil balloons, I am using hand pump. All of the self-sealing orbs balloons, they have this plasticky insert in them. And if you're going to be using warm electric balloon pump, you can melt those inserts and your balloons will start deflating. I noticed that when I was working with my electric balloon pump and orbs balloons, I don't know, and I switched to hand pump. It's a lot safer for me to inflate those balloons. I'm not sure what kind of color I want to use. Either this beautiful ombre blue purple, or just add 2 different shades of orbs or 1 shade of orbs. I don't know, we'll see. Let's inflate one of each and see whatever works best. You guys, one more thing that I want to mention about orbs balloons. You need to inflate your orbs balloons until there's no wrinkles on seams, but be careful not to overinflate your balloons. If you overinflate, obviously they will pop. So in spaces, I am out of my 5-inch balloons. So here's what I'm doing. I am taking 11-inch balloons, inflated them individually, probably not to 11-inch, maybe to 9, whatever that balloon can handle. And I am filling in spaces here and there just to polish the whole thing, and cannot wait for the final balloon wall. For you guys today, this is my final balloon wall. I really like the colors, very fall-like, transitioning with these orbs into winter. Very cute looking. I decided to put flowers next to orbs balloons just because these 2 things, flowers and orbs, they are eye-catching, and I didn't want to create a chaos on my balloon wall, and I didn't want this balloon wall to look tacky as well. I feel like this works really great together, orbs and flowers together. Insert enough orbs into your balloon wall. Be careful with that. Be careful not to overfill your wall or garland with orbs as well, because you want your wall or garland to look very pleasing to the eye, and for the eyes not focus on one spot and just be there. You want for the eyes to kind of go around and see everything. I inserted my flowers between balloons and they hold pretty well. I ended up using a whole bunch of things to construct this thing. As you know, I was out of so many supplies, so I used whatever I had. I used 260s, fishing line, rubber bands, glue dots. I mean, you name it, I probably used it all in this wall. I didn't count how many balloons I used. I was just blowing until I had enough. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and some pictures will be at the end of this video as well.